So draw this top view. This is the front view, which will indicate the axis height, which is of a length 60 millimeter, and this is a midpoint, means the cutting plane which bisects the axis, so which is at a 30 millimeter. Now the cutting plane is located, section plane is located, cutting points are also located. Point A and point B are such that they cut the slant edge A and slant edge B, so the points will be the point A and point B here. This is a slant edge C, so the point C will be the here. Now here draw the very faint slant edges, slant edge BA, slant edge BB and slant edge VC. Now to draw the sectional top view, first shift all these points on top view. Now we'll focus on point A. Point A is on a slant edge V, so draw its projections in downward directions. So this is a slant edge, so here we'll get the point A, here will be the point C, so point A and point B, and now next locate the point C. So draw this vertical line which will cut the slant edge C, so here will be the point C. Now join these points by straight line, point A to point B, then point A to point C, then point C to point A, now as we are removing this portion and just observing this remaining part for the sectional top view, so draw the slant edges only up to the here. Now draw hatching line at a 45-degree angle by using the mini drafter. This line should be inclined at a 45 degree. Draw the hatching line only within this portion where the cutting plane cuts the given triangular pyramid. Thus the sectional top view is completed. Now to draw the true shape of a section, so draw the projections through this cutting point where the section plane cuts the slant edges of a triangular pyramid. Now here if we observe this triangular surface or a sectional top view of a triangle which is symmetrical about this line, that is this is symmetrical about this line, so we'll take the benefits to transfer the points measuring from this XY and locating on this projection line. This is another simple methods. Draw this line which is a parallel to this one. Let this line be as like this one. So let this is a line passing through the corner C. Now first locate the point C, that is point C is here. We have drawn this projection line, so the point C will be here. So the point C will be located as like this one. Now to locate the point A and B, So initially draw a very faint line passing through this. So measure this distance, take a distance compass. Now this is on this projection line. This is a projection line passing through these cutting points A and B. So we can mark it here. So this will indicate the point A. This will indicate the point B. Thus, for the true shape, we have got 3 points: point A, point B, and point C. Through these 3 points, join lines, or draw lines. Point A to B, join point B to C, and C to A. Thus, the true shape of this section is represented here. Now we have to draw its hatching line. It should be piecewise. Thus the top view sectional true shape is shown here. Just observe the line work, do the dimensions in proper methods, use the labeling